Hi guys and welcome to this video on C programming. In our previous video we have written this code for a mini calculator. As you can see here, we have used two variables a and b within the code. In this video we are going to do the same thing, but we want the user input in the terminal. Okay, so here I am writing the comment for the user input, and since I am doing this for the integer data type, so I am here writing int. Okay, so here I am going to write printf, and in between these brackets and inverted commas I'm going to write enter a number and a semicolon and a space. And in the next line here I'm writing scanf, and in between the brackets and inverted commas I'm writing %d, which is the format specifier for integer data type, then comma, and here type and call variable a. Do not forget to type and here I'm writing the comment variable a. Writing the comments are optional, but they are very useful, guys. And now I'm going to copy these two lines because I want to take input for the second variable b, and here I have replaced a with b. And since we are going to do it for the user input in the terminal, so make sure that you have not assigned any value to a and b. Now let's run this code. And as you can see in the terminal, it is asking us to enter a number. Here I'm entering any number and it has asked us to enter another number. And after entering the other number, here we have the output for the mini calculator, the sum, subtraction, multiplication and division. So that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.